Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna play with LOLs. We'll be letting them play some arcade games at Chewy's. Let's go. Now let's choose who is gonna join us today. I wonder who it's gonna be. Here's one. And the second ball. Our first ball is Spice! Yay! She's so cute! Let's wear her shoes now. And a headband. We'll place her down and open the next one. Our second ball is from the Bling series. I wonder which door is it? Yes, it's Sugar Queen! Let's grab her accessories and put them on. Not forgetting her pretty headband. And yay! Now they're ready! Hey Sugar Queen, it's so boring today. Let's do something, shall we? Yeah, you want to visit the new arcade? I heard they have lots of new games that we can try out. Hey, yeah, that sounds awesome. Let's go. Okay, follow me. Ta-da! It's the new arcade. Look at all these games. Ooh, let me choose the first game. Hey Sugar Queen, check this out, check this out. Look what I found. Wow, it's the Wonder Woman hoops. Now, in this game, we are given hoops. And we just need to aim and throw on the Duplo. Just try and hoop them on. Yeah. Here, Spice, got it? Now you try. Okay. That looks like so much fun. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try and hoop a lot. Here goes. Yeah. Oh man, can I have another round please? Yay, thank you. I'm gonna try again. Back to you, Sugar Queen. Okay, here I come. Yeah! It went in! Did you see that, Spice? Yeah, so cool! Let's play another game! Is this a tic-tac-toe game? Just open it up. Look, Spice, Chewy is resetting the pieces before we play. Do you know how to play tic-tac-toe? Yeah, you bet! Just line them up in trees, right? Yep, let's start. You go first, Spice. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Mine is Emmett. Now it's your turn. Okay. I'm gonna go with this one. This one. That over there. At the bottom. That one. And ooh, I got a line! Yay! I won! Yeah, good for you, Spice. That was a good round. Do you want to play other games? Okay, let's go! Check the next part of fun in the next video. And I'll see you next time.